Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram. Today we'll be cooking beef and onion stir fry. It is a simple dish to make at home and you can have it ready for dinner in no time. So y'all, let's get right to cooking. First, we're going to slice and marinate our beef. So go ahead and slice your meat thinly against the grain and then transfer it over to a small mixing bowl and marinate it with 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And give this a quick mix and set it aside for 10 minutes to marinate. And in the meantime, we'll prepare our vegetables for this recipe. So, crush 5 cloves of garlic with your knife and then finely mince them. And then slice 1 yellow onion into large strips, and once done, you may break it apart to make the cooking easier later. And then separate the white stem from the green onion, and if it's thick, slice it in half and then into 2-inch sections. Cut the green part into 2-inch sections as well, and set these vegetables aside. Now it's time to put our dish together. So, to a frying pan, heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and add in your yellow onion and the white stem of your green onions. Season it with a little sugar and salt and saute it long enough to remove the raw taste of the onion, and then transfer it to a plate. Now it's time to cook our beef. So heat up 2 more tablespoons of oil on medium-high heat and add our beef and spread them out and cook them until you get some nice browning or until the meat changes color. Then stir the beef to flip them over so the other side can cook as well. In a moment, return the onions back to the pan and give this a quick toss to bring this dish together. Then, immediately, turn off the heat and transfer this to a serving plate. And friends, here is the final product. Beef and onion stir fry. Don't forget to leave a comment about how your stir fry turned out, and check our other quick recipes for more delicious meal ideas. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!